So most of the time we operate with this beautiful piece of iron behind us, courtesy of CMC Crawler. But sometimes this past week we had an opportunity where we were a little bit ahead with some stuff and we thought we'd have some fun with some ropes. The video you're about to see, basically two really simple climbs, two Norway spruces that are right next to each other. And so I took the opportunity to take one of the guys who works for us who's never really done any major climbs over 30 feet or so, and this was maybe about a 70 foot. Both these are about 70 feet. So I went up one and he went up the other, and it was fun because I was able to sort of, if he had questions, I could coach him through. And yeah, check out the video. I think it was pretty successful. Again, an easy climb, but it's good fun. They're a lot of fun, these spruces. If you like the climbing videos and want to see more, let us know. Write a comment, subscribe, give us your opinion, give us your feedback. We'd love to know what people like to see, and yeah, that way we can create more. We can cater more towards our audience.
So these are the friction savers, which I was telling you about earlier. So basically, when you set this up, this thing it's on a prusik, so it can move. Yeah. So basically, what you do is as you're working your way down, basically what you do is you set this up so that it's approximately a fist. So it's like that. You're more or less getting a fist, because what that's going to do is it's going to tension.
Yep.
And basically, if it's too loose, the thing will slide down, and then you go bang. And so then basically, what you got to remember is hold that a second like that. Wow, that's cold. Just hold it like that. So basically what I always do is I always have this, which we'll be climbing on.
Yep.
Right, so it'd be on your harness like this.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh. Wow, if it wasn't 4 degrees, that'd be so nice. Right? So now what you got to remember is, because you got to take this back out, right?
Yep.
So you're always running it through this way. So there's a small hole first.
Yep.
And then through your big hole. Right. And this is clipping in like this. Right. So, and then basically you can see you're getting like it's constantly pulling in, right? It's constantly pulling in, and then even when you move over like that, it's tightening up a little bit more, but you still are always like having that fist more or less.
Yeah.
It's just shit.
Yeah.
So, but again, you got to be trimming off your stub. Exactly. And I'm going to give you the spikes too, which you can use. And then what you do is you take that little red ball to pull this off. You put it on this. It goes through the big one, right? Gets stuck, and then this comes out like that.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. It'll literally just go like that. Because what happens is, as you stand on it, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Right.
This thing's gonna blast into your leg. Right?
Right.
So instead of having it on your calf, spike on, and then climb up.
In the interest of time, you will now see I just rappelled down from the tree as I was already finished, and you'll have the opportunity to watch Januszka finish topping out the tree and limbing up the remaining limbs. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, as I mentioned earlier, don't forget to comment, like, and share. And also check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Orbiter Tree Service and Landscaping.